Every year, tech promises a revolution, but 2025 actually feels different. We're talking about gadgets that put a cinema in your pocket, robots that guard your home like loyal companions, and clever tools that make everyday life feel futuristic. And the best part? You don't have to wait. They're all already on Amazon, with links waiting for you in the description. Let's dive into the 20 game-changing gadgets defining 2025. Imagine slipping on a pair of glasses and suddenly being surrounded by a 360-degree micro OLED theater. The Rokid Max AR glasses bring you ultra-crisp visuals at a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, so every movement feels fluid without ghosting. With up to 600 diopter adjustment, even nearsighted users can tune them perfectly. They play nice with iPhone 15, Android, Windows, and even AirPlay for wireless connections. It feels like strapping a cinema to your face. Lightweight, sharp, and ridiculously immersive. The Gravastar Supernova looks like something pulled straight out of a sci-fi movie, with its mecha robot steampunk design. But don't let the looks fool you, it's got serious sound. You can pair multiple units for true stereo and enjoy 9 hours of playback on a single charge. The lighting system offers more than 8 colors, letting you set the perfect mood for work, chill, or party. Finally, a Bluetooth speaker that focuses on sound quality while doubling as a stylish lamp for your space. Tangled cords and crowded nightstands are a thing of the past. This 3-in-1 charger powers your phone, watch, and earbuds all at once. No clutter, no hassle. It doubles as a stand, so your phone is propped up perfectly for video calls or late-night scrolling. Add in a built-in touch nightlight with adjustable colors, and suddenly your bedside setup feels warm, clean, and futuristic. Declutter your nights with a charger that's as cozy as it is functional. Meet the palm-sized drone that redefines how we capture moments. The Air Selfie fits in your pocket yet flies effortlessly to snap wide-angle HD shots you could never get with a phone alone. Gesture controls make it easy, just wave, and it hovers into action. Within seconds, your photos and videos beam straight to your phone for instant sharing. Forget selfie sticks. This is how you capture memories from above without breaking a sweat. This little robot is more than a desk ornament. It's powered by ChatGPT and designed to be your personal desk buddy. It can keep time, set reminders, answer questions, and adapt through its customizable Open OS. The interaction feels smooth, almost like talking to a clever friend who's always ready to help. A tiny assistant that lives on your desk and never gets tired of your questions. It's futuristic companionship in a fun little package. Shaped like a shark and made of tough stainless steel, Sharky is a pocket-sized powerhouse. It packs 12 functions: bottle opener, box cutter, screwdrivers, file, carabiner, and even a key ring. Despite its small size, it's flight safe, meaning it can travel anywhere with you. It looks cool, feels durable, and can handle everyday fixes on the fly. Tiny, tough, and shaped like a shark. What's not to love about carrying your own mini toolbox? Light up your room with 3,000 lumens of brightness and a palette of 16 million colors. The Outon S1 is designed for mood. Whether you're syncing it with your favorite playlist, leveling up your gaming space, or setting the vibe for a movie night. You can control it through an app or with your voice assistant, making it easy to shift between party mode and relaxation. A floor lamp that transforms any room into a dynamic, colorful experience. For explorers and fixers alike, the Woobin X0 flashlight delivers 1,100 lumens of brilliance in a rugged, waterproof body. Its magnetic base lets you attach it anywhere, freeing up your hands during projects or adventures. Recharge it quickly via USB-C, and it's ready to shine again. Whether you're out in the wild or working under the sink, this flashlight has the durability and brightness to back you up. Adventure-ready, yet practical enough for everyday use. Adorable, yet powerful, the Evo X is a home monitoring robot with a 4K camera and smart features. It rolls through your home, offering night vision, fall detection, and alerts when something's wrong. Beyond security, it can play music, provide mood lighting, and it even has Alexa built in. It feels like a guardian wrapped in charm, keeping an eye on your loved ones while adding personality to your living space. Security and cuteness, all in one rolling companion. Hydration meets convenience with Ringo, a smart bottle that doubles as a MagSafe phone holder and tripod. It keeps drinks hot for 12 hours or cold for 24, while also rotating your phone for hands-free video calls or binge-watching sessions. With 32 ounces of capacity and leak-proof insulation, it's perfect for workouts, hikes, or just lounging at home. Stay hydrated and entertained. This bottle makes sure you can do both without compromise. Think of the Yeelight Cube Pixel lamp as creative freedom in the palm of your hand. With 16 million colors and a magnetic modular design, these cubes click together like glowing Lego blocks. You can build towers, design pixel art, or even sync them to your favorite music for dynamic light shows. Wi-Fi connectivity means you can control them from anywhere, adjusting patterns on the fly. It's decor, entertainment, and expression all in one colorful, playful package. Work meetings just got a little less painful thanks to the HiDock H1 EAI docking station. It automatically takes notes, filters out background noise, and provides instant meeting recaps so you never miss the important details. But it's not just smart. It's practical too, with 11 ports to connect all your devices at once. It's the perfect mix of productivity and convenience, turning a cluttered desk into a command center. Imagine wrapping up a meeting and already having your notes done effortless. Security that never quits. That's the Eufy Cam S330. Powered by solar, this 4K camera doesn't need messy wires or constant charging. It's built tough with IP67 waterproofing, so it's ready for any weather. The AI facial recognition is smart enough to tell family, pets, and strangers apart, sending you only the alerts that matter. With both cloud and local storage options, you've got flexibility and reliability covered. It's non-stop protection with practically zero upkeep. Old school style meets new school muscle with the RayQ 128K Retro Dock. Inspired by classic Mac aesthetics, it brings serious modern power with 14 ports and built-in Bluetooth speakers. Fast charging keeps multiple devices powered at once, while the retro IPS screen displays time, calendars, or even images. It's functional, stylish, and a nod to nostalgia. For anyone who loves vintage vibes but demands modern performance, this dock is the ultimate desk centerpiece. Morning routines get a futuristic upgrade with the Capstone Smart Mirror. This touchscreen mirror lets you browse apps, stream YouTube, or scroll the internet while you get ready. It mirrors your phone screen, plays Bluetooth music, and makes multitasking feel natural. Watch tutorials while doing your makeup, catch the news while brushing your teeth, or blast music as you prepare for the day. It's both practical and entertaining. Exactly what a smart mirror should be. Meet the Kitshi Metmo Grip, the compact multi-tool built for doers. It functions as a wrench, hammer, bottle opener, and driver holder, all packed into a sleek carbon steel design. Lightweight and portable, it's made for anyone who wants one tool that can handle countless tasks. Keep it in your pocket, car, or backpack, and you're ready for quick fixes at any moment. It's tough, versatile, and perfect for anyone who loves tinkering with their world. The Ultra Reality Extend monitor brings pure immersion straight to your desk. With an 8K OLED panoramic display and a massive 107-degree field of view, it feels like staring into a 10-foot screen. Perfect for gamers and professionals, its depth perception makes everything more lifelike, from racing games to detailed design work. It's not just a monitor, it's a window into another level of productivity and entertainment. Once you've tried it, standard screens feel flat by comparison. Whether you're streaming or multitasking, the Elgato Stream Deck Neo is your shortcut to efficiency. It features 8 customizable keys that let you control apps, launch functions, or trigger commands instantly. The real-time info bar keeps you updated at a glance, and the eco-friendly design means it's as mindful as it is powerful. From content creators to everyday users, this tool transforms workflows with a single tap. It's productivity packed into a compact, smart device. The Red Magic 10S Pro is built for one thing: serious gaming. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, built-in cooling system, and eye-catching RGB design, it's ready for marathon sessions. Shoulder triggers give you console-level control, while the ultra-fast performance keeps you ahead of the competition. Whether you're gaming casually or competitively, this phone delivers smooth, powerful gameplay right in your pocket. For players who demand the best, it's a portable powerhouse. Step into sci-fi with the Looking Glass Portrait, a personal holographic display that feels straight out of the future. It stores up to 1,000 holograms and can record 3D clips that look stunningly real. Imagine sending a message that plays as a hologram or revisiting memories in true depth. It's like holding a slice of the future on your desk. Compact yet mind-blowing, it brings 3D experiences into everyday life in the most futuristic way possible. And that's the lineup, 20 gadgets shaping 2025 in the coolest ways. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget, all the links are in the description. Hit subscribe for more game-changing tech finds.